Yeah, it's your boy Juce the MC, aka STM Films, and today on Hood Tips, I'm gonna show you how to build a home studio with $250.
Hey, do me a favor.
Just back up, yeah, just back up. I'll be sliding what? Yeah, I got my racks up. Yeah, get back up. I keep now like whacker. Yeah, just back up. Keep that nine.
Okay, people. So the first thing you're gonna need, you know what I mean, which is not included in the $250 studio build, which you should already know you're gonna need, is a computer. Now, it doesn't have to be the latest and greatest computer. For instance, mine is a 2011 Mac Mini i5 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and I put 2 hard drives in it, you know. That's what I'm actually using to record, and I've been using that to record for the last, I'll say, about a good 4 or 5 years now. And it's been doing me justice, and it's been working wonderfully. So you don't have to have the latest and greatest computer to do audio recording. Video, on the other hand, you're going to have a decent computer to do video. But we're going to get into that when we get into that segment of my Hood Tips tutorials. You know what I mean? But first and foremost, we're going to take y'all over to the computer right now, and I'm going to show y'all what y'all need. The first main thing to any home studio is the computer. The second is your interface, which I would recommend right here, the Scarlett this is the Scarlett Solo Mini 2nd generation, or whatever the case may be. Brand new is $109.99. So let's just round it up, $110. You know what I mean? These prices is going to be based on if you bought the item new. Now, they may fluctuate, they may go up, they may go down, if you buy them secondhand and everything like that. But let's do the calculations right now, or whatever. Hold on 1 second. Let me pull up the calculator. Let's pull up the calculator, because I'm gonna keep this at $110, well, $250, I should say. So this is $110 right here. Now we're gonna add. Now that's the first thing, the interface. This is a very decent interface. Before, you had to really spend money to get decent quality. Now that the shit that they making now is very conducive to what we doing, and it gives decent audio and decent sounds. The converters on this is pretty dope. You know what I mean? So that's the first thing you should get, is the Focusrite Solo audio recording interface. And I hear in other YouTube videos that motherfuckers have to announce that these people are not paying me. These are things that I've used or have recommended people to use, and they had great success with them. You know what I mean? So these motherfuckers is not paying me. I'm just letting y'all know. You know what I mean? The second thing, if not like one of the most important things you would need, is the mic. Now, this is the Audio Technica AT2020. You know what I mean? It goes for $79 new. You know what I mean? And it may fluctuate. You can get it used. I seen some used for like $50 or whatever the case may be. So let's add that to our price tag, $80. You know what I mean? Now we only at $190 right now. We at $190. You already got the bare bones and the bare essentials of what you need for your recording studio. You know what I mean? And it's very decent. I hear great things about this mic. A friend of mine, Family Dollar Bill, he's actually using this mic as we speak and whatnot, and he loves it, or whatever the case may be. He turning out good material and all that. You know what I mean? And this is like, I recommend this to a lot of people who just starting out, or whatever the case may be, ain't really got a budget like that. You have to have some type of money, but just for the the lower, just starting out people. You know what I mean? Computer, interface, mic so far. And the last main thing that's gonna top us out at $250, which I think you should get starting out, is a great pair of headphones. I recommend the CAD Audio 510 CRs. You know what I mean? I'm actually using some right now. CAD Audio. They come in great different colors. You can, customize your colors. I have a gold pair right here. You know what I mean? And that's for the booth preferences and all that and whatnot, you know what I mean? But yeah, you definitely need a great pair of headphones. I would recommend noise cancellation headphones. When I say noise cancellation headphones, that means when you put them over your ears, they block out all the unnecessary sounds or whatever the case that's coming out of the headphones or whatever. You know what I mean? You'll notice if they noise cancellation when you take the headphones and you do like this, and the noise damn near goes away. If not, you'll hear it slightly or whatever the case may be. That's how you know they're noise cancellation headphones. But these have been great to me. I've been using them for the last 4 years. Another one I recommend is the Sennheisers 2080 HDs. They work perfectly and everything, but I just, I've been buying them consistently and they consistently been breaking on me. I'll get like a year, maybe 2 years out of them and then they'll break. I don't know if it's because of the mishandling of me. I'm a little rough with my shit sometimes, but they do work great or whatever. I just haven't had good luck with those. So the CAD audios I have great. I done moved like 3 times and I have no problems with these or whatever the case may be. So at the CAD audios is coming in at $60 brand new. So we're gonna pull up the calculator and add that. $60. Bang, 250 right on the mark. Headphones, mic, interface. The bare essentials for what you need to start your home studio. That'll get you recording right off the rip. You know what I mean? We're going to shoot another video talking about plugins and everything like that later on down the line. I'm gonna give y'all some tips and some good secrets. You know what I mean? On how y'all can use those and everything to make your recording sound great and everything like that. Oh yeah, I left off another thing. It's a DAW. You need a DAW. It stands for Digital Audio Workstation. You know what I mean? That's either Pro Tools, Cakewalk, Sonar, Logic, GarageBand, Ableton. I can keep on going. There's many of them out there. Some free ones. Even I seen people use Audacity. You know what I mean? More for the podcasting thing. But I've seen people record on Audacity, Cool Edit Pro. It's a lot of them out there, so you definitely need a DAW. You know what I mean? Something that's compatible with the computer that you're using. My preferred DAW of choice is Pro Tools. It's industry standard. It's a power horse, to run. But my little Mac Mini can handle Pro Tools. You know what I mean? As long as you're recording at a certain bit depth and rate, you should have no problem. Like I said, the happy medium for me is 24-bit. 4800. So recorded at that bit date is like a happy medium for the type of workhorse that I'm using or whatever the case may be. But yeah, man, it's been another rendition of hood tips. More videos to come on the way. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments down in the comment section and let me know what else y'all want to see and let me know what else tutorials y'all want me to do. I'm only gonna give it to you raw and uncut. It's your boy Juice. 1.